Okay, dear children, welcome to the English handwriting class. Dear children, in this second class, we will learn the total alphabet. Dear children, do you know, learning English handwriting is very easy. You need 20 minutes practice every day. Within 21 days, 20 into 21 equal to 7 hours. You can learn your good handwriting in 7 hours. In 7 hours practice, 21 days, 20 minutes per day gives and brings a new miracle into your life. You can change your handwriting. By your handwriting, you get good result in the exams. Are you ready, dear children? Do you know what is the miracle of 21 days? So if you practice anything, if you continue that practice in the same pattern, in the same style, your neurons will get connection to one each another to your brain. So in 21 days, a practice became a habit in your life. So you do the 21 days practice regularly to get good handwriting. Are you ready, children? Dear children, in this class will complete 21 small letters. They can change your life. Okay, children? They are coming to the point. Dear children, you can see all the 26 letters at the board at a time. I will explain before giving the patterns. You see the board, dear children? The letter A. A means oval shaped circle and here one straight line, and B means one big straight line with oval shaped circle. You see the letter C, off closed circle, and D here off closed circle with straight line, and E here oval shaped circle with a curve. F begins from the upper line, a curve, again straight line, a stroke on the second line. Dear children, G we have practiced in the first class. Oval shaped circle, straight line, at the ending it is a curve. H, it is our first letter in the first class. I, you know the letter I, double stroke letter with sharp angles. J, it is the off part of the letter G. And K, one straight line with sharp angle. L, it is our important basic, first basic, you know. M, we have practiced in the first class. N, O, P, Q, R. Up to here we have practiced in the first class. S, fully curved letter. It one and only letter in English handwriting is S, fully curved. And T, sharp angle and a stroke on the second line, headline. U, a curve with a straight line. We come to the V, these are total sharp angles. V, double sharp angle is W, and X, C, clockwise and anti-clockwise is the letter X. X is the double stroke letter. And Y, the extension of U is Y with J stroke. Okay, children? Z, the extension of the two strokes of I is Z. Okay, children? So we go to the patterns now. So we have practiced a few letters in the first session and we will complete total letters and words in this session. Are you ready, children, with your pen and paper? Yes. Okay, children. We have practiced the letter O. It is our first basic. So I am writing clockwise and anti-clockwise. The letter C. This is O. You see. I am writing in opposite manner. This is the letter X. You see. If you close this one, two O's. X. I am writing oval shaped circle and writing C. Like this. Oval shaped circle and letter C. Ending part of the letter will see the upper side. Okay, children. Now I am writing C and again writing the straight line. C and the straight line. C and the straight line. X is a double stroke and at the same time D is a double stroke letter. Okay children, X, E, D. X and D are double stroke letters. Here I am writing a curve line, again a straight line, U. You can write as a single stroke or as a double stroke. If we extend to the lower line and give a turn, this is Y, the letter Y. You see I am writing Y. Okay children, X, E, D, U, Y. Now copy in your notebooks, dear children. Dear children, the letter X, double stroke letter, E, single stroke letter, and ending part of the letter will see the upper side. D, off curve with straight line, double stroke letter, and U, give a curve and straight line. You write as a single stroke or double stroke. And if we extend up to the lower line and give a curve just like a J, it is Y. Y is a single stroke letter. Okay, dear children. Now you copy in your notebook. Okay. Okay, dear children. Next pattern. I am writing straight lines. Have you ever seen the arrow? Arrow. So here I am writing a straight line, just like. So arrow touch the straight line like this. This is a straight line, this is a small arrow, it touched at the bottom like this. You can guess what is that letter. So I am writing here the sharp point of the arrow, the letter K. K is a double stroke letter. Okay, dear children, it is sharp. Do not write like this. It is wrong. It is correct. Understand? Okay, children. I am writing. Have you ever seen a saw? Have you ever seen a saw? The teeth of a saw. Like this. You see, I am using the same stroke like this. 1, 2. It is a W, single stroke. See, W is a single stroke letter. I am writing half stroke, that is V. And V and W are in same style. If you write double time, it is W. If you write single time, it is V. Okay. I am writing just like it, I. So on I, it is a dot. Do not put circles like this. There are no circles in English handwriting, only dots or strokes. Okay. And now I am writing the letter Z. Just like 7 and like this. 7 like this. Its ending point just to see the upper side like this. These are all sharp angles, dear children. Remember, these are all sharp angles. And now I am writing the letter T. Straight line, just like small stroke, just like Q we have practiced in the first session. The letter T should not touch the upper line. Okay, it should not touch the upper line. Okay, T is just smaller than the letter H, K, L like that. It is upper zone letter, it is an upper zone letter, but it should not touch the upper line. Dear children, now see K with sharp angle, W just like a teeth of a saw, and I and a stroke, not a circle. Z just like a 7 and ending point, see the upper side. T with ending small stroke. Dear children, these are all sharp angle letters. You practice well, you can get very easily. So dear children, you do the practice continuously, you will get your handwriting sharply and quickly. Okay children, you do that. Okay dear children, now we are going to learn the remaining 3 letters F, J and S. I am beginning at the upper line. Turn again straight line, you see. Okay, the stroke on the headline. Opposite to the F is J. Straight line, turn like this. In the previous pattern, we have practiced for Y and G. And here also, you keep a dot, don't keep the circles. Dot like this. Okay, in 26 letters, the letter S is the special letter, you see. I am writing yes. So upper part is smaller than the lower part. That means lower part is bigger and upper part is smaller. So, if you draw a letter, you see here. Okay, you see here, smaller, bigger, smaller, bigger, smaller, bigger like this. So fully curved letters in 26 letters. It is not a sharp angle letter, it is not a oval shaped letter, it has no stroke, only single line with fully curved. So when you are writing the letter S, you keep the concentration, write slowly. Okay, I am writing F and J and S. In F and J, here is a curve, here is a curve, but in S letter, totally curve. Okay children, so in patterns, in small letters pattern, this is the last pattern. So letter F, upper zone letter, J lower zone, S middle zone with fully curves. Yes, you always remember the specialty of the letter S. It is a fully curved letter. You see here, if you draw, it comes like this. Okay? Dear children, now I am writing all 26 letters. You observe all the 26 letters just like at a glance. You look at a time and you practice, you will get an idea of 26 letters at a time. So 26 letters at a glance. Dear children, I am writing, you observe carefully, you will get very easily. Okay children, I am writing the letter A. B, straight line and oval shaped circle. And C, half closed circle. And D, oval shaped circle, half closed. And I am writing the straight line. D is a double stroke letter. And E, ending point of the letter, look at the upper side. F, turn again straight line. G, just like 9, it should not touch the upper line and giving a curve. H, straight line, a turn again straight line. I, two sharp angles, put a stroke. J, straight line with turn, stroke. K, sharp angle letter, put just like an arrow, sharp angle letter. And L, straight line. L is a straight line, first basic cover. M, straight line, curve, one more curve. Middle point should touch with the base line. N. Okay. O, oval shaped circle. P, straight line from middle to give a oval shaped circle. Q, straight line, short ending, a small ending, don't write as a big. And R, yes, fully turned. T, you see the letter U. V, W, X, double stroke letter, clockwise and anti-clockwise, opened circles. Y, Z just like 7. These are all 26 letters. So, practicing small letters is very important comparing to capital letters. In a capital letter, when do you use capital letter? Use capital letter when you are writing proper noun or beginning of the sentence. So, you practice 80 to 90% small letters. You remember the shape of the letter, size of the letter, stroke of the letter, and you always remember the two important basics, straight line and oval shaped circles. You will get good handwriting, and don't forget to practice daily 20 minutes up to 21 days. Minimum 21 days practice you need to get good handwriting and bright handwriting to get good score in the exams. Okay, children? Dear children, now I am writing the zonal wise letters. So, what are the zones? Do you remember them? In the first class, middle zone, upper zone, lower zone. So, there are 3 zones. Letters also divided into 3 zones. So, middle zone letters, upper zone letters and lower zone letters. Here I am writing middle zone letters. You look at the board, dear children, and copy the letters. So, there are 14 middle zone letters. How many letters? 14 letters are there in middle zone. Now I am writing, look at the board. The letter A, C, E, I, M, N, O, R, S, U, V, W, X, Z. Dear children, middle zone letters touch the second and third line. So, the body of the letter, the total letter should touch the second line and the third line. So, letters must touch the 2 lines, that is head line and base line. You see the letters. These are 14 middle zone letters. You look at the board and practice. Okay, children? Dear children, now I am writing the upper zone letters. Those are 7 and they touch the upper line, head line and base line. Okay, children? Now go to the board. The letter B. Touch the first line, second line, third line. D. F, H, K, L and T. B, D, F, H, K, L, T. These 7 letters are upper zone letters. Dear children, look at the board, observe. Only the letter T should not touch the upper line. So, remaining letters touch the upper line, head line and base line. Okay, children, copy the letters. Dear children, now I am writing the lower zone letters. Do you know lower zone letters? They touch lower line, base line and head line. The letters touch with these 3 lines and letters comes to the lower zone. Okay children, there are 5. Can you guess? I am writing now. G, J, P, Q, and Y. These 5 letters are lower zone letters. They touch the second line, third line and fourth line. So, their body of the letter touch the second and third line compulsory. You write middle zone letters, upper zone letters, lower zone letters. You write any letter, they should touch the second and third line compulsory. If they are upper zone letters, they touch the upper line except T. They are middle zone letters, they touch the second and third line compulsory. If they are lower zone letters, they touch headline, base line and lower line. Okay children, you practice these lower zone letters. You practice the letters pattern wise and all small letters and zonal wise also. If your letters zone is perfect, your handwriting looks like printed handwriting. Understand children? Dear children, now I am writing the words with small letters. You observe the words now. I am writing in 4 zones. Middle zone letters, I am writing middle zone letters, upper zone letters and lower zone letters. All zone letters and writing words now. You see, upper zone letter, middle zone letter and lower zone letter. Lower zone letter, middle zone letters and upper zone letter. You see, and I am writing one more word. Lower zone letter, dear children, you observe the sentence, and one important thing, when you are doing the practice, between 2 words, you leave a letter size gap only. Don't give the much gap between 2 words. You see here, a letter size gap is enough. Understand? Don't give much gap, much space between 2 words. So, if you practice like this, you will get good handwriting while writing sentences in a page, in a single rule, in double rule or in answer sheets and project works. If you want to get good handwriting in the project works, in the fair notes, in the exams, you practice like this. You take a textbook and find out the words with all zonal words just like skip, play, yellow, a liquor, a dancing. Like these words you will get in the textbook and practice in your 4-ruled book. Okay children, you will get good handwriting practicing regularly. You always keep in your mind there is 21 days practice, minimum 21 days practicing to get to connect your mind from your hand. You always remember, not only handwriting is not only handwriting, handwriting is mind writing. Good handwriting gets good handwriting brings good mind and good behavior. That is good behavior with good handwriting. Always remember it. You will get not only handwriting, you can change your behavior through good handwriting. Okay children, practice very well and we will meet in the next session with capital letters. Okay, you practice very well and you must ready to the capital letters class in the next session. All the best children.